Hello everybody, I'm Miss Rosen and I'm here with Fred for a very special reason. We're here today because we're going to start to learn our sounds. I need to make sure that you've got your good listening ears on. So make sure you've popped them on, give them a little squeeze so they're wide awake and show me that you're ready. Are you ready to hear our special sound? Okay, here we go. My turn, then your turn. You ready? Well done. I'm going to show you some pictures now. Moon. Mirror. Mouse. Mountain. Can you hear the sound at the beginning of all those words? Should we try it together? Okay, you ready? Moon. Your turn. Mirror. Your turn. Mouse. Mountain. Give yourselves a big thumbs up. Well done. I'm going to show you what our sound looks like next. Can you see our picture? So we have a picture of Maisie, and Maisie loves to climb mountains. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Can you say that? Maisie, mountain, mountain. Well done. If I turn my card around, you can see what the looks like without Maisie. Well done. So we have Maisie, mountain, mountain, and we have Maisie, mountain, mountain, Maisie, mountain, mountain, Well done. I think you know that quite well. I'm going to see if I can trick you. Are you ready? If I show you this side, I'd like you to say, And if I show you this side, I'd like you to say, Maisie, mountain, mountain. You're going to have really good licking skills for this. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Did you get them all right? I was going really speedily. I was trying to trick you, but I wonder if I did manage to trick you. Excellent. So we have our sound. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Next, I'm going to show you how we write that sound. So I'd like you to go and get yourself a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil or a whiteboard and a whiteboard pen. If you want, you can pause the video and then you can play it again when you come back. Brilliant. Okay, so watch me first. So we must remember to start on the line and we go Maisie, mountain, mountain. So let me show you. So we have Maisie here and we have our mountains. Can you see that? Maisie, mountain, mountain. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Let me try again. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Can you see how they're very similar? This one has our picture of Maisie and our mountains, but this is how we do our But we can say Maisie, mountain, mountain to help us. I'd like you to get your magic pencils out of your pockets, okay? Make sure it's nice and sharp, and we're going to start on the line. We're going to have a go at drawing it together in the air. Are you ready? So make sure you're on the line, make sure you're holding your pencil properly. We start on the line and we go Maisie, mountain, mountain. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Let's try it one more. You ready? Maisie, mountain, mountain. Super. Well done. Okay. I'm going to show you one more time and then you can have a go on your own. Starting on the line. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Super. Well done, children. Just before you pause the video to start practicing your I just want to say a really big well done to you because you've learned your first sound. Super. Fred is really impressed too. So, just before I go, remember, you can practice writing your Don't worry if you make a mistake. It doesn't matter. You can just keep practicing them. And the more you practice, the better and the neater they will be. And remember, what sound is this? See you soon, children.